This beautiful property shows like a model home. It sits on a fabulous site that backs to open space. There are gorgeous mountain views out the front by the cul-de-sac. The main floor master makes the flow through the first floor perfection with great stone fireplace and gleaming hardwood floors. Let's take a look inside. As you step into this home, you're greeted by this foyer with the living room at the far end of the hallway. This living room boasts a vaulted ceiling with tons of natural light. From here you can look out to the open space. It also opens up to the kitchen and eat-in area. You'll find a gas fireplace with space beside it for your entertainment system. Just beyond the living room you come to the gourmet chef's kitchen that features a large center island. There are beautiful granite countertops in the island as well as around the perimeter with a travertine tile backsplash. You'll find ample storage in the custom cabinets throughout, and it comes with a full set of high-end stainless steel appliances. You'll also find an eat-in area just off the kitchen, or you can entertain outside and take in the views of the open space. Beyond the living room, you come to the main floor master retreat. The master bedroom features a coffered ceiling and is quite spacious. And the 5-piece master bath boasts dual sinks and separate vanities, a deep soaking tub, and walk-in shower. To your right, inside the front door, is the dining room. It's spacious enough to seat 8 to 10 guests, and the study sits to your left inside the front door. There's so much more to see in this home you'll want to come visit it in person. Please call Louie or Melanie Lee for a private showing. You'll be glad you did.